Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am super excited because today we're gonna be sharing with you guys some back to school lunch ideas. So if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I have 3 little kids, Jane who is 6, Jackson who's 4, and Piper who is 3. Jane is going into the 1st grade this year. She's starting in a few weeks, so we're starting to get some new ideas for her lunchbox, and we've had 1 year of experience when she was in kindergarten. So I have 5 lunch ideas for you guys. I hope you get some inspiration from this, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, we're also gonna be doing some back to school shopping and also maybe even some more lunch ideas for you guys. And maybe when Jane starts 1st grade, I'll show you what I pack her for lunch, and then I'll show you what she actually eats, and that'll kind of give you an idea too. So we're just gonna get right into this video. So this is day number 1's food. I try to do a variety of foods throughout the week for Jane when she's at school, but I think it's kind of funny because in the summer I tend to give the kids the same thing almost every day for lunch just because it's easy for the grocery shopping, it's easy to make them all the same things, but then all of a sudden when she starts school I have like this grand plan to give her all of this variety of foods. So these kind of videos are my favorite because I can go see what everyone else is giving their kids and kind of get some more ideas and kind of base it off of what she likes. This is just a simple lunch with some cheese and crackers, some turkey, strawberries, 2 Oreos, and a yogurt smoothie. So I also want to say that I did all 5 of these lunches all in 1 week. So some of these foods might look the same or similar, but I do like to change it up again. So for instance, this week I bought strawberries and watermelon, and then some weeks I'll buy grapes. We have peaches sometimes. I think I had peaches this week as well, bananas. So when you see me put a fruit in her box, that fruit can obviously be switched out for anything, and that goes for chips and pretzels and stuff like that. It just depends on what I have in the pantry, but you guys can get the gist of what I'm making. So this lunch is just a turkey sandwich with cheese, some yogurt covered gummies, a yogurt with Oreos, a hard-boiled egg, and some peaches. This is actually my favorite lunch to make, and it is just a bunch of different things. I kind of call it like a child's charcuterie board because there's no main thing. There's no sandwich or something like that. This is just a bunch of little things that I know that Jane likes, and I put it into a lunch box. I also wanted to say that last year, Jane came home and told me different foods that some of the other kids had that she wanted to give a try as well. So if your child is going into kindergarten, or even if they're in a different grade and you're just finding it really hard to decide on what to pack them, I would just ask them some different ideas, what they might like. And also, I'm sure your child will come home and tell you different things that other kids have that look good to them too. So you guys can get ideas that way as well. This has chocolate chip muffins, some pretzels, some crackers, olives, pickles, strawberries, and a string cheese. Also, Jane has to take snacks as well to her school. So she has her lunch kind of early in the morning, and then she has a snack in the afternoon as well. Last year, we ended up sending her almost the same exact snack every single day. It was a granola bar and some goldfish. And I think this year I'm gonna try to do some different snacks each day. So let me know if you guys want to see some snack ideas as well. I'm not sure if all of the grades do snacks or if that's just like the younger kids, but if that's something that you guys want to see, I'd be happy to hop on here and do that. So this was a really simple lunch. It was an Uncrustable, a Nutri-Grain bar, some fruit gummies, a chocolate chip cookie, and some carrots and ranch. This is one of my favorite lunches to pack Jane, and I've asked her before if her quesadilla turns out good or not at lunch, and she says it does. So this is just a cheese quesadilla, but you can do beef on it or chicken or peppers or whatever, but Jane just likes the cheese one, and I cut it really thin so that it can fit in her lunchbox, and then I give her some Tostito crackers, some sour cream, and then I just packed her a brownie and some watermelon with this, but she really enjoys this. It's something different, a little change up for the week. And I also wanted to mention that Jane also loves Lunchables. And so usually we do 4 regular lunches in the week, and then on Fridays she gets her Lunchables. So that is another idea if you guys are looking for something different or out of the ordinary as well. She likes the pizza Lunchables, and she also likes the regular Lunchables with like the cheese and the crackers and the turkey. This is an out-of-the-box lunch as well, and this is just kind of like a make-your-own yogurt thing. So she likes Greek yogurt, but you can get like the Greek vanilla or the Greek strawberry or just regular yogurt. And I just put it in a Tupperware. I also drizzle a little bit of honey on top because I don't want her to have to mess with honey too much. It's kind of sticky. And then I just give her some toppings in her lunchbox. So I did strawberries and granola or oatmeal and some chocolate chips in this one. But you can really do anything that you want to put in your yogurt. You can do blueberries or any other type of topping. So this was just a fun thing for her. I accidentally spilled way too many chocolate chips in there. But this is a fun thing for her to do and kind of make her own yogurt when she's at school. Or she can eat these things separate as well and just eat the yogurt plain. And then I also just put some Cheez-Its in there as well just to have something else. So this is another favorite of mine. It's just kind of out of the box and different. That is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some good ideas, and we will see you guys in our next one. Bye.